Hey guys, it's Kaya, and today we've literally done this video twice. So we were supposed to be making the coolest airplane ever, and the last one was 17 minutes wouldn't upload, 18 minutes wouldn't upload. So yeah, we made the regular paper airplane, color it, personalize it, then make a little box, cut a hole in it, like out of a little square, and or like whatever you want to do. Tape it together. Make why are you trying to mess with my tablet? It's dead.
I want to see if it can actually work.
It's dead. It can't work. Anyways, then drop some candy. Anyways, so you make the little box, you cut a hole in it, and make a little bomb. You make a little bomb, and a hole in there, big enough for the bomb to get through. Then, if you have any, like, candy wrappers kind of like this, save it, because you want to tape it to the bottom right here, and the bottom right here. Take some tape, and like just cut out a chunk of paper to go over it, and you can actually peel it off easier, so it can like kind of drop the bomb. So we're gonna be taping it on here, and then actually I'm gonna finish coloring it first, and then
I have a charger. Kakahoo.
So yeah, I'm gonna be coloring it red. Any red I can find, because there's just kind of pinks in here.
There's only one red.
Yeah, there's only one red in here. That's when we move to the crayon. That's the thing.
I didn't even know you had a crayon.
Quit being so mean.
I know I'm going some.
So I have not uploaded this video yet, but there's a video where I was doing impressions of things every time Gage died in Split. So if you just really want me to just do an impressions video, even though you haven't seen me do some of the impressions, then just put it in the comments down below. I mean, I will do it. Any comment down below, I will do it. We've so far had not one comment, so I'm desperate for comments right now. Just saying. So, comment literally any idea for a video. What mascot we're gonna have.
A droid is starting to act.
I'm thinking that the Jurassic over here is gonna win if y'all start voting. But that's just that. Where did I throw that red crayon? Hashtag self-refresh. You know where that came from? Then comment down below. There's where I threw that. If you've seen the I Look Like a Clown video, it's where Gage basically did my makeup with only mascara, so better go check that out. That's a cool, funny, very funny, and cool kind of for other people video. It's very, 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 very funny. So go check it out. I actually have the mascara he did it with over here. So what's that? Oh, if y'all needed to know that or anything. So this is basically what it looks like now. This side's colored better because it was used with marker. But anyways, you're going to take your tape, which you have. You have to have tape scissors, maybe a stapler, keep it around just in case. I'm not sure if we're using one yet. I don't think we will be, but, you know, I'm making other Christmas presents as well, so I might need it anyway. Just saying. So I think I want it to go like this, or like this. I like to do the shape like this. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the corner of this, the little corner, and then I'm gonna take the airplane, and I'm gonna make it like it's just hanging basically right now. This thing. We actually want it in the middle. Wait. The way. I don't know what that was. Oh, that was the bomb. Oh, because I threw it on the horse. Okay. Like, how'd the bomb get out? But then
you can probably tell we're doing YouTube videos on it. Because I got all the way to YouTube. Try and press on the freaking app.
What'd you just say?
I didn't even say that.
Uh-huh. What'd you just say?
I didn't even say it.
Uh-huh. What'd you just say, though?
I shouldn't say it again.
Better not say it again or tell Mama.
I tried to press the app. Then it went on a different app instead of YouTube.
Because that's what it does. It's cracked, Gage. I will be getting a new tablet Christmas. Calm down. Christmas is in 5 days. The way you're counting it. I don't know if you're counting it wrong or what. Cause that doesn't sound right.
Yesterday, Poppy told me it was 6 days until Christmas. And it was 4 days until Christmas Eve. So today, it says 5 days until Christmas. And 4 days until Christmas Eve.
If yesterday, you mean it was 5 days till Christmas Eve yesterday?
You asked me.
You mean it was 5 days till Christmas yesterday? 5 days till Christmas Eve? Eve! I said Eve!
It was 6 days until Christmas yesterday. And it was 5.
That's what I just said.
And it was 4.
No, it couldn't have been 4.
5 days until Christmas Eve.
Exactly.
Today.
This is complete, my peasants. I'm just kidding. But it is complete. It's a cool little airplane. Personalize it. This is Kim's age on here, so yep, 58, not 85 as it's reading it, but 58. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm glad hopefully it's not going to be too long. That's pretty much it. Like this video if you like it. Don't like it if you don't like it. Whatever you're feeling. And comment down below some things and some suggestions for everything. It's all sorts of things. And go check out some of my other videos, especially the ones where I ask all questions about how we're going to transform this YouTube channel. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to be one of those people who has like a small YouTube channel, haven't been heard of much, or I'm going to be one of the big ones that you hear about all the time, but you hardly ever watch, because I hardly ever watch Dan City and that kind of stuff, but whatever. I'm super hyped. Subscribe, give it a rest, and I'll see you guys later.